Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Legion 516IRX8. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed your Lenovo Legion 5 slowing down during gaming, you're not alone. This issue often occurs due to insufficient RAM, which can lead to lag and stuttering gameplay. If left unaddressed, it could significantly affect your gaming experience and even lead to further performance issues down the line. To tackle this problem, you'll need a few tools and materials, a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and the new RAM module that is compatible with your device. Now, let's get started with the repair. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a flat surface and remove the screws from the back panel using your Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once all the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage any clips inside. After you've successfully opened the device, locate the RAM slots. They are usually near the center of the motherboard, often covered by a plastic shield. If you're unsure, consult your device's manual for guidance. Once you've found them, carefully release the existing RAM sticks by pushing the clips on either side. They should pop up easily. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Next, take your new RAM module and line it up with the slot, ensuring the notch aligns correctly. Gently but firmly press down until the clips click back into place, securing the RAM. Now, it's time to reassemble your device. Carefully replace the back panel, ensuring all clips are aligned, and then reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Make sure not to over-tighten them, as this could damage the casing. Finally, power on your Lenovo Legion 5 and check that the new RAM is recognized in the system settings. If all is well, you should notice a significant improvement in performance while gaming. To prevent this issue from arising again, ensure you're regularly checking your system specifications and consider upgrading your RAM if you frequently run resource-intensive applications. Additionally, keeping your device clean and well ventilated can help maintain optimal performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.